Welcome to accounting again. Let's hope it started. Oops, gotta push it, I guess. Okay, welcome to accounting. I'm going to help you with the application 1-2. Normally, I do not help with the application problems. They are graded. But 1-2 is totally different from the work together and on your own. So I do want to help you with this one. Okay, we have to bring up the instructions. The instructions, I'm really excited because my book, even though it is not the 9th edition, is the 8th edition, it has the exact same problem. So I will not have to bring up the instructions all the time. Because you can bring them up. You can look at them. You can read them from your book. I don't have to have them popping back and forth. Okay, so this is the instructions for 1-2 application. You've already done work together and on your own. Doesn't look like either one of those, does it? Because here we have our asset, liability, plus owner's equity, which is like what we did earlier. But now we're actually using the numbers in our accounts. Cash, an asset account, supplies, assets, prepaid insurance assets. See the equal sign? They must equal our liabilities plus owner's equity. Here we have only 2 liabilities. 5-star supply, accounts payable. Accounts payable, Riverland Company. And the owner of our business is Calvin Parrish. And he has a capital account. So the first transaction said receive cash from owner as an investment, $3,000. So we plus $3,000 on cash because he gave cash, and we plus $3,000 in owner's equity because he invested that out of his own pocket into his business. Next transaction says paid cash for insurance, $1,600. Whoops. I messed up and forgot to take and bring down my balances. So after you put your $3,000 in, 0 plus $3,000 equals $3,000. 0 plus nothing equals 0. 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 And 0 plus 3,000 equals 3,000. Okay? Then we paid cash for insurance, $1,600. I'm going to close that window now. So we paid cash for insurance. Did cash increase or decrease? Cash would decrease by $1,600. So we go minus 1,600, but our prepaid insurance increased by $1,600. Now we have to do our new balances. What is 3,000 minus 1,600? Well, hopefully if I've done my math right, it's $1,400. 0 plus nothing equals 0. And if you don't put the zeros in, it takes off. It counts it wrong. So then our new balance, 0 plus 1,600 is 1,600. Whoops. I don't know what I did that it doesn't like it. When it's in red, it's not correct. I might have spaced. And 0 plus nothing is 0. 0 plus nothing is 0. And 3,000 plus nothing is 3,000. Oh, I'm forgetting to put the comma in. But I can select the answer, and so can you. Okay, transaction number 3 says they purchased supplies on account from 5-star supply. Note, we did not pay cash, So our cash is not affected. Is our supplies? Yes. Prepaid insurance is not. 5-star supply. Did we charge? We charged to 5-star supply. So our supplies went up because we purchased supplies. They sent them to us. Our closet is full of supplies now. We have $700 in supplies. So here is where you have to remember to put in the plus and then the 700. And we charged it, so our bill went up. We owe these people money. So plus 700. Now we have to go down to the new balance. 1,400 plus nothing is 1,400. I forgot the comma again. 1,400. 0 plus 700 is 700. 1,600 plus nothing is 1,600. And 700 plus 0 is 700. And 0 plus nothing is 0. And 3,000 plus nothing is 3,000. The next transaction says purchase supplies on account from Riverland Company, $300. I wish I could just stop right here and have you do this, but I want to go ahead and work through the complete problem with you. So I'm just going to wait a minute. I want you to try it, and then I'm going to give you the answer. Okay. Hopefully you put $300 plus 300 in supplies and 300 in Riverland. Then you bring down your new balances. 1,400. 700 plus 300 is 1,100, correct? Whoops. That's not correct. Oh, it is correct. What am I doing? No wonder it popped in so fast. 7 plus 3. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,600. 700. 300. 3,000. Okay. Let's see. Oh, we must do, I'm going to do one of the paid cash on accounts for you. Okay. The next one says paid cash on account to 5-star supply, $700. So we paid money to this 5-star. Well, if we pay off our bill, if we send money in on our credit card, our balance decreases, right? But also, the money has to come out of your account. So we have to minus or subtract 700, is it? Yes. And the amount that we owe went down by the $700. Then you come across with your new balances. 1,400 minus 700 is 700, 1,000, 1,600, 0, 300, and 3,000. Now I would like you to finish the rest of this problem on your own.